Hello beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a home hack on how you can preserve and keep your tubers of yam and potatoes for way longer than you even expect. You buy yam, you buy potatoes, or we buy this frequently and you just want to keep them in the house. What happens in the morning when you're ready to cut into it and you discover that it has gone bad? You feel so disappointed and dejected. This is even worse if you stay somewhere that you can't easily just go and grab it. If you need to travel far or go far to go and get it, then it makes you feel a lot worse. But I discovered a home hack that will help you. This will help you to keep your potatoes and your tubers of yam for months if you want to. So if you want to know how I do this, keep on watching this video and I promise you won't be disappointed. Okay, so to store your yams and your potatoes properly, what you need to do is to cut it up like what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to slice the potatoes I have here. I'm just going to use this as an example to show you. So I'm done with slicing or cutting the skin from the potato. Next thing is you want to just cut it up into small bits. So it's ready like so. The next thing you just do is to prop it into a bag. When you have it like this, you just prop it into the deep freezer. Trust me, whatever you're doing, your yams, your potato slices, make sure you cut it up like this and put it in the freezer. If you leave it out in the open in room temperature, it might tend to go bad. I'm sure you've experienced this once or at any other time in your home. But with this, if you put it in the deep freezer, it stays like that. So the way it is like this, your freezer needs to have electricity supplied to it regularly so that it doesn't go bad, just like any other thing you put in your deep freezer. So just put this in the freezer and whenever you need it, just the way it is, you just bring it out, rinse, you boil, you fry, whatever you want to do to your potato or to your yam slices. This will help you to keep it for a long time. It can stay for months if you wish to, if that is what you want. It can stay for as long as you pretty much want it to stay for. So this is how to store up your yam and your potato without it going bad in your kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to also follow me on my social media channels. I will see you in the subsequent videos. Stay beautiful. Bye.